Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Welcome in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday, January the 29th, 2021. Yes, almost weekend. We have here 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. Binary number 1 and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. And as you know, I won't do them all. Only 4 of them. Yes, only 4 of them. I will only do the Sudoku with 3 stars. This is the 4 stars. And tectonic with 4 stars I will do, and a binary number 1. All right, the first Sudoku with in this additional is a 3 stars. This will be number 2242. 2242. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. Let me check if this is correct. The 3 stars is always 25. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 3 is 21 plus 4, 25. Yes, 2, 2. All right, so I'm correct. And yes, the publisher has changed lately the printed digits, because for 4 or 5 weeks he printed all the Sudokus with 25 printed digits, and now the 1 star is 27, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. We will check this later. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yes. Scan the puzzle. Yes. This column. We have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 and a 1 in this big square. So no 6 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 1. All right. So what are the other 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 6. And look, 4 and the 6 we have. No. The 4, 5, and the 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. 1 in this row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2, 8. Yeah, 8, 8. 5, 5. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in those 2 boxes, so the 9 should be there. Alright, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Okay, 2, 5, 6, 1. The 2 should be here because we are missing the 2 in the middle row. 3, 3. Yes, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3s in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 3, 3, 3. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. How about 7? Yes, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 1 and a 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this column, so no 1 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. We see there 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 7 should be there. Alright. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. What are the other 2 numbers then? The 2 and the 8. 2 and 8. 4, 5, 6. 2 and the 8 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 8. 2 and 8 means we have a 5 there. 5 is missing here. 2 is missing. 5, 2, 5, and the 8. Yes. No, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about? Yes. This big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 and an 8 in the second row. So no 2 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 and 8. So these 3 numbers. 1 is missing. 3 is missing. And the 6 is missing. Well, need to wait. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well, we have a pair. 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. Alright, 1, 1, 1, 1. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 7 should be there. 2, 8. We need an 8 there. 2, 8, 5. Yeah. Alright. Here also a 2. So the 2 goes there. Okay. 2, 6, and 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Alright. 3, 6, and 1. 2, 8. 5. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for 4 should be here. Oh, there we see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be there. 2, 6, 2, 8, and 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Yes, 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 8 in this column. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet, but we have a 6 in this column in one of those 2 boxes, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. We have here 3 and a 6, so this should be a 3, and this should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 3. No. 8 and 7. Yes, 8 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Yeah. 2, 5, 8. One of these 3 boxes should be a 5. So here cannot be a 5. I need a 5 in one of these 3 boxes, so this box cannot be a 5. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. Well, here cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 here or there, 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this can be 8 anymore. This should be an 8. This should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for a 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 5 and 4. No, 4 we have. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the column next, the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row, the first row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. Yes, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this row. The second row for the number 9 we have 4. 4 is missing, yes. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and 8. How about those 2 numbers in this last column, the 2 and the 6? Missing 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 1. Now we have a 6 there, so this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 1. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this is going to be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.